Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make one of my favorite Indonesian snack called Lemper Ayam. This is such a popular snack in Indonesia and is made from sticky rice with the chicken filling covered in the banana leaf. Yummy, savoury, and perfect as a finger food when you have a party. Nowadays, you can easily find lemper in the traditional stall who sell special jajanan pasar or traditional snacking. So, let's make it. First, let's prepare the chicken. Add some water. Here I'm using chicken breast. You can also use chicken thigh. Add the salam leaf and a pinch of sea salt. We cook the chicken until completely cooked, so around 20 minutes. I put in the high heat. While we're waiting the chicken, let's prepare the paste. So add the garlic and shallot, including the candle nut, white peppercorn and coriander seed, and some pressed water. Blender smoothly. So let's put it aside. And now the chicken is ready. I'm going to cool it down a little bit. And now let's fry the paste. Medium heat. Vegetable oil. The oil is hot enough and I'm going to add the paste. Smell already so good. Now let's add the lemongrass. Salam leaf and kaffir lime leaf. So the paste is ready. Now I'm going to turn off the cooker and let's blender the chicken. Just add the chicken into food processor. So this is the consistency I want, and now I'm going to add into the paste. Along with sugar, salt, mushroom boyong powder, and coconut milk. Turn on the cooker again and mix well. Cook it slowly until the chicken slightly dry. Now the chicken filling for lemper is ready. I'm going to remove the lemongrass, salam leaf, and kaffir lime leaf. Smells so fragrant. Let's cool it down a little bit, and now I'm going to prepare the sticky rice. So let's turn on the steamer. And here I have sticky rice, which is I soaked in the water for 2 hours already. And now I'm going to drain the water. And now let's transfer to the steamer as the water is ready. and I'm going to steam it for 15 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes and the sticky rice texture is hard. Let's turn off the cooker and transfer the sticky rice into the bowl. Add a pinch of salt, coconut milk, and the water I'm using for steam the rice earlier. I'm going to add 3/4 cup. Mix well. And then I add more water into the steamer because some of the water is already evaporated while we steam just now. So let's turn on again the steamer. So now the rice has been 15 minutes and no more liquid left, and now I'm going to transfer into the steamer, and also the steamer is ready. So steam it for another 30 minutes, then the sticky rice is ready. So it's been 30 minutes and the sticky rice is ready. Let's cool it down. When it's cool enough to handle, we're going to shape it into bowl. So now is the exciting things because I'm going to roll the sticky rice in the banana leaf, which is I prepared earlier already. And also I have some fresh water. Later I'm using for my hand because sticky rice is quite sticky. And if you would like to use the plastic gloves, it's absolutely fine. So take the sticky rice around 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons. And then press it. Then add 1 tablespoon of the chicken filling. Press it, then cover it and firm it. Take 1 small banana leaf, roll it, and take another big one, roll it again and fold it. Secure with thin bamboo skewer. I cut this part, then place it into the grill. So now let's grill it around 5 to 10 minutes each side. Let's turn it over. So this process will add special flavor to the lemper. So now it's ready. Let's plate it. So here we are, lemper ayam. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. If you are in Bali and would like to join my cooking class, please drop me your email. I put my email address in the description below. And I will see you in my next video. Matur Suksma. Bye bye.